Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation is executing the 4,797 crore rupees project to build a bypass road between Khopoli and Kushgaon on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway. This article is published on Hindustan Times. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Thursday reviewed the progress of the Missing Link project in the Ghat section on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway, which will help reduce the travel distance between the two cities by 6 kilometers and save 20 minutes of traveling time. Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation (MSRDC) is executing the 4,797 crore rupees project to build a bypass road between Khopoli and Kushgaon on the Pune-Mumbai Expressway. Thackeray, along with Public Works Minister Eknath Shinde, Energy Minister Nitin Raut, Transport Minister Anil Parab and MSRDC Director Radheshyam Mopalwar and other officials visited the site and inspected the progress of the missing link work between Khopoli and Kushgaon. The length of existing Pune-Mumbai Expressway section from Khopoli exit to Singad Institute is presently 19 kilometers. This distance will be reduced to 13.3 kilometers after construction of the new missing link. So, the total length of the expressway from Mumbai to Pune will be reduced by 6 kilometers. Travel time will be reduced by 20 to 25 minutes, said Mopalwar during his briefing to the Chief Minister. MSRDC officials claimed that once the project is complete, the section would be accident-free. Mumbai-Pune Expressway and NH4 meet near Khalapur Toll Plaza and separate near the Khandala exit. The section from Adoshi Tunnel to Khandala exit is a 6-lane road, but the traffic of 10-lane road, 6-lane of Mumbai-Pune Expressway plus 4-lane of NH4 ply in THW section. Heavy amounts of traffic and landslides cause congestion in this stretch. Due to decrease in speed and increase in time of travel in this section and in order to save time, vehicles move at a faster speed on the rest of the expressway, which has resulted in an increase in the number of accidents, said an MSRDC official. With the gradual normalization of daily activities after an elongated gap of 11 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown, the civil work of various ongoing big-budget infrastructure projects has also gathered speed. Migrant laborers are also returning to their work sites, eliminating the issue of the shortage of manpower. The Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation (MSRDC), undertaking the Mumbai-Pune augmentation through the Missing Link project, has completed significant work. So far, nearly 15% to 20% of the work has been completed, according to an official who does not wish to be named. Moreover, with just 19 months left for the entire project work to be completed, MSRDC has initiated all the work in full speed, so it can open up the new road for the public by September 2022. The previous deadline for the project was February 2022. However, due to COVID-19, the appointed contractor was given 184 additional days under force majeure, reportedly. The civil cost of the project is 4,500 crore rupees, while the total project cost is 6,600 crore rupees. The augmentation of the Mumbai-Pune Expressway will lessen the travel time and also decongest the Khandala Ghat section, which is currently very narrow and slows vehicular movement. Due to the outbreak of novel coronavirus and loss of working days because of lockdown, the Mumbai-Pune Expressway Missing Link project contractors have been given extra 184 days for completing the work, said an official, who did not wish to be named. Following this, the revised project completion deadline is now September 2022 from February 2022. We aim to complete the work and make the connectivity open for public by then, added the official. Afcons Infrastructure and the Hyderabad-based Navyuga Engineering are the two contractors carrying out this project. According to the MSRDC, so far 10% of the total project work has been finished. And of 10, 5 kilometers long twin tunnels, total 3.6 kilometers of tunneling work has been attained till date, 1.6 kilometers from Mumbai to Pune and 2 kilometers from Pune to Mumbai. The 4-lane tunnels will have 24 meters road width, widest in the world, giving sufficient place for the movement of vehicles in case of a breakdown during an emergency situation. The tunneling is being carried out using controlled blasting technology. The official informed, with the strength of 700 labors each on tunnel and viaduct construction sites, the project work is being undertaken. Before COVID, the manpower strength was 1,000 each, now short of 300 labors on both sites. Therefore, from January 2021 the project work is expected to commence with full speed, as laborers are slowly resuming their jobs. Quote, the augmentation of Mumbai-Pune Expressway is being done to lessen the travel time and also to decongest the Ghat section of expressway that is very narrow, thus causing slow movement of traffic. Only the civil cost of the project is 4,500 crore rupees, while the total project cost is 6,600 crore rupees. The work of constructing the missing link, 2 tunnels, 2 viaducts with new 8-lane road, between Khalapur and Kushgaon on Pune-Mumbai Expressway has gathered pace with labourers returning after the lockdown was relaxed. More than 1.5 kilometers of tunnel digging work has already been finished, said Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation (MSRDC) officials. The missing link project proposal was cleared by then Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis-led Cabinet Subcommittee on Infrastructure last year. The link starts at Khopoli and through an interchange, leads to Kushgaon at the Pune end of the expressway. After its construction, motorists heading to Pune can avoid the critical Ghat section. Due to this link, the travel time between Mumbai and Pune will be reduced by around 25 minutes. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway is presently a 6-lane road with a total length of 94 kilometers. The expressway and National Highway 4 meets near Khalapur Toll Plaza and separates near Khandala exit. The section of 7.2 kilometers from Adoshi Tunnel to Khandala exit is a 6-lane road, but traffic equivalent of a 10-lane road plies in this section. The existing section from Khopoli exit to Singhat Institute is 19 kilometers. It will be reduced to 6 kilometers after construction of the missing link and reduce travel time by 20 to 25 minutes. The 4,794 crore rupees 13 km bypass will separate traffic on the expressway and the old Pune-Mumbai highway that presently shares the 10 km Lonavla-Khandala Ghat section and sees frequent traffic snarls. It will cost 2,670 crore rupees. Afcons Infrastructure will build the 3 km cable-stay 6-lane viaduct for 1,492 crore rupees. MSRDC officials met on August 11 to take review of the work progress of the missing link. The work on this link started before the COVID-19 outbreak started in the country and was halted after a nationwide lockdown was imposed in March. Laborers working at the site had left for their native places, but now have returned to the site. MSRDC Sub-Divisional Engineer Sanjay Patil said, work has gathered pace on the missing link project. Out of the total 9 kilometers, 1.5 kilometers work of tunnel digging has been completed. The entire project will be completed in 3 years. Officials along with the CM visited the project site to review the quality and progress of construction work underway, and it is being said that the CM will also start touring various other places as soon as coronavirus cases reduce. Present at this visit, along with the CM, were Minister for Urban Development and Public Works, Public Enterprises Eknath Shinde, Minister for Energy Nitin Raut, Minister for Transport ADV Anil Parab, MP Srirang Barne, MLA Sunil Shelk, Principal Advisor to the Chief Minister Ajoy Mehta, Managing Director of State Road Development Corporation were present on the occasion. Radheshyam Mopalwar, Divisional Commissioner Saurabh Rao, Collector Dr. Rajesh Deshmukh, Superintendent of Police Abhinav Deshmukh and other senior officers of the department. Following are the highlights and key aspects of the Mumbai-Pune Expressway project as per plans. The existing expressway from Khalapur to Khopoli interchange will stretch up to 5.86 kilometers and there will be 8 paved roads on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Missing link project, 2 tunnels, 1.68 kilometers and 8.87 kilometers respectively, and 2 viaducts, 0.900 kilometers and 0.650 kilometers respectively, will be constructed for the 13.3 kilometers from Khopoli exit to Kushgaon, Sinhagad Institute. With the help of this project, the present Khopoli exit to Sinhagad Sanstha of 19 km will be reduced by 6 km to 13.3 km, and this is said to save 20 to 25 minutes of travel time. The project was been approved by the State Environment Committee on the 24th of August 2018 and by the Forest Department on June 4, 2019. The first package work, tunnel work, was assigned to M.S. Navyug Engineering Co. Ltd. and official orders to start work were given on February 21, 2019. The second package work under this project, work of viaduct, was given to M.S. Afcons Infrastructure Ltd. and official work orders were released on March 1, 2019. The work on Package 1 and Package 2 is expected to be completed by December 2022, and the total anticipated cost of the project is said to be 6,695.37 crore Indian rupees.